Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. It has started, it's begun. The summer 2026 warehouse sale at scrapbookingmadesimple.com is happening now. The product is loading. You might have to give it a few minutes to get all the pages loaded, but week one, over 800 different items for you. Oh my gosh, week two? Well, you'll have to wait till week two. This is a month-long event where every Monday I come back and I show you new items by different manufacturers at up to 90% off. It is an amazing event. There is nobody in the paper crafting world that holds a warehouse sale like we hold a warehouse sale. This I promise you. So I don't want to take up too much of your time today. Usually this is Make It Monday and I'll make something with you, but I know so many of you are either already shopping or want to head on over. Remember to watch the terms and conditions video. Find your patience, you're going to need it. Things are going to sell out fast. And to start week one off, it is with Jacquard, Sizzix, and Simply Defined or Simply Refined dies, stamps, embossing folders, stencils, you name it, tools. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna tilt down, I'm just gonna show you a few things that are in the sale, and then I'm gonna let you have at it. The live chat is going on right now, so whoever's here joining me, hey, thanks for being here for just a few minutes, and then head on over to scrapbookingmadesimple.com to check out the sale. Remember, the product is not allocated to your order until you check out. So it may take going back and forth. You might have to remove things from your cart and then try and check out. And by the time you do that, you might have to remove things from your cart. This is a pretty, the first hour or so, it's a pretty bing, bang, boom sale. And if you just wanna not have to worry about that, take a moment, let everybody else go through, and then come back with over 800 items at up to 90% off. I am sure you will find something that makes your heart happy at a price that keeps crafting affordable for everybody. A big thank you to the manufacturers this week, Sizzix and Jacquard. Big hugs, can't thank you enough because we can't do the sale without you. So I'm gonna tilt on down and I'm just gonna show you a few things and then we're gonna call it done. Are you ready? Okay, it's good to see everybody. There is such a buildup. We have so much work. We start planning the sale. Well, I've already started buying and receiving product for the December sale. So it takes about a year to get everything done. All right, Sizzix. We have got their Sizzix flower making. Is that what they're calling it? Paper sculpting tool with all the little stylists on it and the foam that you move it into, scissors, everything you need at an amazing price. I think it retails for $36 and we've got it for like less. I think it's under 20 bucks. We have amazing dies from Sizzix. Beautiful products. Look at from Eileen Hull. These could be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off from Catherine Pooler. Now this is just some of it. I'm showing you just a very small sampling of what we've got. Over 800 different items for you to go page by page by page. I will tell you, the quicker you check out, the more likely you are to get the product that you have in your cart. So check out, maybe you might want to check out a few more, do smaller orders and check out more often so that you get everything. And remember, shipping has gone up to $8.95 for orders under $75. So anything $75 or over ships for free domestically. Anything under $75 has an $8.95 shipping fee to it. We have just got it's just so much. Just wanted to show you a few little Sizzix items. We've got Catherine Pooler. This is such a pretty embossing folder. I've got the Sizzix embossing folder. This is such a pretty embossing folder. I have got an Eileen Hull embossing folder. This is such a pretty embossing folder. How about a stencil, layering stencil from Catherine Pooler? How about a Jen Long what do they call these? A folded? I forget what she calls them. Well, it's a card label, but it's a flip and fold. So much for you to see. So Sizzix, absolutely, tons of Sizzix. But then I also have Simply Defined and Simply Refined. Tape runners. Hello, tape runners. We have permanent, we have permanent plus, and we have removable. All sold in a pack of 3 as part of the warehouse sale. We have my scissors, my fussy cut scissors, and my tweezers going into the warehouse sale. Get them while we got them, because when they're gone, they're gone. And we've even put some of my craft mats, the one that I work on, even some of my craft mats in the warehouse sale. So when they are gone, they are gone. This is the craft mat I work on all the time. I have some of my Simply Defined and Refined dies. This is a kaleidoscope die, which means it's a layering die. It's beautiful. Once you put it all together, it is absolutely magnificent. Everything layers in to make that glorious sunset. I have my castle, which is made up of so many different pieces. You can just use this piece by itself, or you can use this one and this one. You could just use the castle by itself. You could use the castle with the detail. You've got mountains to go behind it. There is so much in these die sets. These were found in Mr. SMS's office. Got a sports fan? How about a very cool layering football player? And the all 4 dies layer, giving you dimension. But they gotta go. I thought we were done with them, and then we found them in Mr. SMS's office. We have got color pad. You need pigment inks. You want beautiful Jacquard pigment inks. Here they are. I've got them all. I think I've got them all. This is just a sampling of the colors for you. We even have the metallics. So the metallics are stunning. They're golden and silver and bronze and dune and platinum, and so the metallics are that really rich, beautiful pigment ink. And of course, to go with all of them, we have re-inkers to go with for the pigments. And they're all on sale. So you pick the colors that you like. I don't know, for this price, if you need pigment ink, you may just want to get all of them. You really can't go wrong. The colors are beautiful. They blend beautifully. Throw embossing powder over the top of them and you are good to go. Stamp on vellum, absolutely. Throw embossing powder over the top of it, you bet. And you are good to go. But that's not the only thing we have from Jacquard. We also have Pearlex. So we have, gosh, I want to say 30, 40 colors of Pearlex, which is a mica that you can add a little bit of water and paint with. You can use an impressions glue pad and stamp and use this over the top of glue. The mica is beautiful, and it is 100% mica. No, 100% pigment. 100% pigment mica. It is beautiful. So there's no gum arabic in this. You will need to buy some gum arabic, and of course we've got that on sale for you too. Let's see, do I have a jar of it? Ugh. Yes, we have gum arabic on sale too. So where these differ from something like a Perfect Pearl is that Perfect Pearl, first off, isn't 100% pigment. Perfect Pearl is a mica powder, but it's pre-cut with the gum arabic. Jacquard gives you 100% pigment, no gum arabic, which means if you use it with a stamp and an Essentials glue pad, you don't even have to add the gum arabic because the glue is going to act as the binder. But my goodness, for the price we have these for, again, I want to say there's 30, 40, maybe 50 colors available, and I know they're at least 50% off. I think all of the Jacquard is at least 50% off. I know that some of the Simply Defined and Simply Refined are at least 90% off, sometimes more. And same with the Sizzix. Sizzix will go 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. It just depends upon the style and what it is we have and how many we got. We even put my gotcha tool on sale. I think this is at 40 or 50% off, my gotcha tool. So week 1 of the warehouse sale has begun. This is a 5-week event. So every Monday I will be back to show you more products from more manufacturers, and anything that has not sold out in week 1 will carry forward to week 2. And anything that's not sold out in week 2 will carry forward to week 3. So week 1 and week 2 will move into week 3. It takes up the whole month of June. There are terms and conditions to watch, because I need you to watch that before you hit submit. That way you know what you are getting yourself in for. I mean, when you're getting 90% off, well, there's got to be some terms and conditions, right? And, well, we don't want to have, I heard what she said, but. No, I'm the she, I'm the her. And there are no buts. So, if a warehouse sale and saving is important to you, if having new crafty goodness into your stash without breaking the bank is important to you, if this is the one time of the year that you shop with us because you've saved up all of your money, you've put $10 away for a year, you can take that $120 and parlay it into $1,000 worth of product if you shop well. All right, you guys, it's me, Stacy. I'm going to keep it short. I'm going to keep it sweet. I'm going to let the rest of you head on over and see what you see and shop away. Remember, patience is a key, and don't forget to watch the terms and conditions video. The minute you hit submit, we are accepting that you watched that video and you are agreeing to those terms. Yes. All right, you guys, I will see you on Wednesday for our next In the Studio with Stacy class. It is a new month. There is a new product that we are featuring for the entire month of June. It is wonderful. I learned so much I did not know. I learned so much about this product that I had absolutely no idea. But that will be on Wednesday, where for the entire month we take one product of fine art and we pair it with paper crafting and we make magic happen. It really is a lot of teachable moments for fine art and paper crafting and how they can come together to really elevate your crafting, especially now that you'll have this to play with, and then you'll add some of that. Oh, too good, too good. All right, you guys, it's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. I'll see you on Wednesday. Happy shopping. And of course, we're open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. 661-298-1112 if you have any questions, or email us at asksms@scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Until Wednesday, everybody, have a great day. Bye.